62 days to a big Walt Disney World, Universal, SeaWorld, month-long Orlando adventure. And we have some big news. We have booked the VRoom, that's right, the Virgin Exclusive Lounge, Manchester Airport. We're going to be telling you everything that's included, why you should book as well, and what's the cost, and all the little in-betweeny bits before we go. So in this video right now, so stay tuned. Let's talk about it, guys. But before we get started though, make sure you've subscribed to Planet Mark and hit our bell notification to be told of the next great travel upload. So check out our links in the description box below for super cheap Disney Orlando essentials. First, I'm just going to apologise right now because I have a really bad cold, but I just need to get this video out and tell you guys because we finally actually managed to book it. So what you do when you go through normal airports is you go in, do some window shopping, do some actual duty-free shopping maybe, and then grab a bite to eat and just generally waste time. It's the part of the day which you're happy to be there because you're about to go on holiday, but it is ultimately just a lot of waiting around, and it always ends up that everybody gathers around the board to check out when their gate is going to be. So instead of waiting at this place where there's shopping and things like that, they go waiting in another place where they know that it's going to be delayed, but they just feel that they're closer to their airplane, not really knowing what to do, which when you kind of put it like that is crazy. It's a bit weird. So this is where the VRoom comes in. It's Virgin's exclusive lounge. If you didn't know, that's only at Manchester Terminal 2 and Gatwick Airport. Just those two airports. Now to what you want to know. What is actually included? What do you get? So there's an adults only area, which so you can get rid of the kids for a while. There's a bar, so remember to drink responsibly, but not that responsibly because you are on vacation. A colouring area and a soft play area for the kids and when no one's looking, Planet Mark. A teen/game zone with an Xbox and a football table, or foosball, if you want to be calling it that. Complimentary Wi-Fi, so we could actually be streaming live from the lounge. If you wanted us to do that, then just tell us again in the comment section below. But there is free Wi-Fi, so put your 3G or 4G, whatever you got, away. And literally just reading this on the website, not entirely sure how it actually works, so we will find you out when we vlog this, but you can actually do advanced like check-ins with Alamo Car Hire. We're actually going with Alamo Car Hire because they are like the best and the cheapest. But not entirely sure how it will work, so I'm hoping that you just check in and then when you get to the other side you can literally just pick up your car and not having to go through all that sales, things like that. But we'll get all the information for you there. There's also loads of Virgin reps there as well. Hopefully not sales reps, just regular reps which know all the information. So if you have any questions, just ask them. However, I forgot the number one reason why it is an essential. Why we actually really wanted to do this. And that reason is free food! All I know so far is there's bacon, like kind of like breakfasty stuff, croissants, things like that. It's mostly breakfast stuff that I know of, but like I say, I haven't exposed it yet. So quite literally, you can stuff your faces. I'll be stuffing my big fat pig face until I'm just about to board that plane. Literally, I'll be like, Planet Mark, you need to board the plane. Not sure why they probably wouldn't call me Planet Mark. That would be cool if they did that, but they're not going to. So I suppose the main thing about this is it's supposed to be relaxing. You're supposed to be going to be able to chill out and just lounge around. That's why I got the lounge rate, and it's not going to be, there's only a certain amount of tickets, so it's not going to be super busy. You're not going to be waiting around for everything for ages. So that's the thing, it's just really getting you in the vacation experience instead of how you normally are at airports. It's like, how long now?
55 minutes.
How about now? But the main thing for me is the fact that when you're in airports, you just get bored a lot. So you can go, although there's like things to do, really you're just waiting there for planes. So what you can do is go have a bite to eat. If if you're done with the lounge, or if you think, okay, well, I want to do a bit of shopping because there's things I've missed, or just want to get some duty free, then you can leave. You can do that shopping, and you can go back, and you've still got things to do at the, if you want to play some Xbox or whatever, or foosball, then you can go back and do those things in the lounge. Because I'm one of those people which need to have things to do. I can't be bored. If I'm bored, I'm unbearable. If you've got kids or one annoying adult, then it's good just to keep your minds busy, which I need my mind to be busy. And also, it seems that airplanes pretty much always get delayed whenever we're at airports, so if they say, oh, you see on the board there's like an hour delay or something like that, well, back to the VRoom to stuff my face a little bit more. So what's the cost? Adults, which is being classed as anyone that's over the age of 12, that's a very loose-fitting term for the term adult, but anyway, a price of an adult ticket to the VRoom Lounge will be £25. A child, anybody aged between 2 and 11, is £15, and under 2s go free. It is subject to availability. We were waiting for so long because we had to keep checking back because we really wanted the VRoom. It was like booked, and literally a year and a half ago is when we first booked this trip, and it just wasn't there. Like, we kept saying, really, a year and a half, people have already booked this up, and we got put on a waiting list, and they said no, yeah, finally, literally like this week, they said you've got it. I'm really happy about that it's actually came through. So it's subject to the availability. You might not get it, so just make sure to be put on that list if you don't. And I can't believe they've actually had to say this, but yes, you also need a Virgin plane ticket as well. So you need to be able to book through Virgin. I'm guessing because sometimes people were actually going through the customs, going through the airport, getting a ticket and everything, and just going to the VRoom and having a free meal and then going home. That, or they booked with BA. So this is just for Virgin customers. What I want to know in the comment section below today is what you think of the VRoom. Is this enough for you to pay out the money and go get the VRoom? Is it something that you've wanted to try, or if you have tried it already, then tell me in the comment section below what you think of it. I want to hear from you. But before you do that though, make sure you've subscribed to Planet Mark and hit our bell notification to be told of the next great upload, and check out our links in the description box below for Orlando Essentials super cheap. Like and share this video, follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog, or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog, or at Disney Instagram at Disney.Dreamer_UK. 62 days, really unsleepable nights to go. Hope you're excited like we are. And see you next one, guys. Bye 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 bye.